Officially say record-breaking day here in the Southland because Long Beach broke a record. All right, so let's take a look. This is Sky 9 flying overhead, heading north from LAX toward Santa Monica. You can see some people had the right idea. Go to the coast to try and beat the heat. But the coastal communities are also dealing with very hot conditions. So if you don't have air conditioning and you live near the coast, you can definitely feel it today. And that's because we really didn't see too much of that marine influence. So that allowed those temperatures to really soar. So as I mentioned, Long Beach broke a record. We're still waiting for other cities to see if we have other records to talk about. But right now we can definitely say record-breaking day. 104 was the high for Long Beach today. The old record, 100 degrees, set back in 1992. And then Riverside tied an old record at 108 degrees. Here's a look. A lot of triple digits still on the board. 107 for Van Nuys, 107 for Riverside, 106 for Lake Elsinore. Now, for Van Nuys and also some of the San Fernando Valley, the record was set just a little bit too high, about 111 today. So that's why we didn't see any records breaking over here in that direction. 103 for Santa Clarita, 85 right now for LAX. We have a little bit of that sea breeze and that's helping. But again, it's still very warm right along the coast. And then we still have these weaker offshore winds as this high pressure system continues to really dominate over Southern California. And because of these weak offshore winds, we have very dry conditions over us. It's drying out the atmosphere. You can see our relative humidity down to single digits and also teens, especially as you head inland. So we have a heat advisory that continues on through the end of the week. And now we have red flag warnings for portions of LA and Ventura County, and then also portions of the Inland Empire as well. High pressure right now still overhead. And then by the end of the week, it starts to sink. It starts to weaken, and that's going to allow those cooler temperatures. But again, from now through the end of the week, we're still dealing with triple-digit temperatures inland. Here's a look at our overnight lows. Because we're really not seeing too much of that marine influence, our overnight lows will be rather warm, anywhere from low 70s to upper 60s. And then take a look at our highs tomorrow. We'll probably go down maybe a degree or two, but we're still staying very hot as we head into Thursday. Friday also very hot, but again, you can start to see the cooling trend take place. And then by the time we head into the weekend, more of that widespread cooling with temperatures finally going down closer to normal by the time we head into the beginning part of next week. 105 tomorrow for the Inland Empire, going to triple digits, about 100 degrees by Saturday. 101 for the high deserts tomorrow, going to the mid 90s by Sunday. Upper 70s for the next few days for the mountains, and then finally cooling down to the low 70s as we head into next week.